Look, I'm gonna try to boost your attractiveness as much as I can, and you need to understand to do this effectively, it starts with your grooming. So today, boys, these 7 habits, you implement them, I promise you, you will be better looking by the end of this video, starting with number 1, right here. Start with your nails. Most grooming habits, you're messing up not because it's tough or you've never heard of. It's the stuff that you overlook that think is not a big deal. Those little things, that's what matters. When your nails start to get long and you start getting dirt encrusted in there, you've ruined everything, bro. Do you really think any chick's gonna want you to touch her with your dirty claw? Of course not, man. And I'm not telling you to go get a manicure. I'm not even telling you that your hands have to look perfect. Just keep them trimmed. You do the bare minimum. For men, it's so easy. The bare minimum of just keeping your nails trimmed to ensure that they don't look dirty, you're good. Number 2, this one's a good trick. Go get some baking soda. It's like 80 cents at the store. And every time you brush your teeth at night with your toothpaste, sprinkle a little baking soda on the toothpaste. This will do 2 things. 1, it'll be a better exfoliant. Because the baking soda is already naturally granular and a natural antioxidant, when you brush your teeth, you're essentially exfoliating your teeth. You're removing all the dirt, all the plaque buildup, but also the baking soda does a great job of entering the pores of your teeth to remove those deep stains like your coffee, your drink, your alcohol, your wine stains. Get that yellowness out. You do this on a daily basis over a month, you will have a whiter smile. 3, exfoliate in the shower. You should treat the skin on your body similar to the skin on your face. Once you start doing that, you will change the game. Most of you, the skin on your body, it's all porous, a lot of texture, and some of you, like myself, I'll even deal with back acne because I go to the gym. A lot of the sweat, if you're an athlete, if you go to the gym, you probably deal with a lot of body acne because of the sweat and the dirt buildup. This is why exfoliating your body skin is so important. And most of you, when you're showering, you're not showering properly, bro. You're just letting the soapy water run all over your body. You might be scrubbing with your hand and that's about it, but your hands aren't a good tool or vessel to actually cleanse your body. That's why we created our silicone body scrubber. Our silicone body scrubber, if you look at it, not only is it better than your washcloth or your loofah, but the little bristles do an amazing job of actually going into your pores and removing that dirt buildup. So what happens is you use this once, bro, shower with the silicone body scrubber, game changing. You will step out the shower with the smoothest skin you've ever felt on your body because now you're treating it almost like you treat your face. You are exfoliating every day while you're also cleansing, giving you the cleanest feeling once you step outside that shower. Bro, that's what we do with Heat Grooming, man. We are truly changing the game. And this year, forget about it. This year, we're gonna change the game. Have you guys seen that girl named Billy? I'm sure you've seen her. Like, hey, what's up, guy? Or what's up, my guys? I think that's her like opening. Girl crushes it. And she's always out here helping you dudes look your best. Well, now she's gonna help you dudes shower your best and smell your best because we just got together and developed the craziest kit, bro. Dropping April. We're calling it the Testosterone Support Kit. And the idea behind it, because she's all about masculinity and men being men, right? The idea behind it is creating shower products that not only cleanse you, but also promote and sustain healthy testosterone levels. Yo, when you guys see what we've developed, I'm telling you, man, we are changing the game. And now, every month when you're subscribed to our shower bundle, you will be receiving a new bundle every single month that smells different and has a new functionality. So every month, you get excited about showering. Yo, this is crazy, man. And these kits will be limited. I'm telling you right now, they're gonna sell out. They're gonna move way too fast unless you're subscribed. If you're subscribed, you don't have nothing to worry about because you're gonna get access to those before pro members and before the main launch. You're good. This is why I need you to subscribe. I want you to be in here so you don't end up missing it. If you guys click the link down below, you can subscribe to our current shower bundle, which we're almost sold out of, by the way. So that means those that are subscribing, these are the last few slots. Subscribe now, you get the shower bundle. I'm also gonna gift you our silicone body scrubber and our silicone facial scrubber. That there's like a $90 offer. I'm gonna sweeten the pot. I'm gonna add our nail kit because like I was telling you, you guys should cut your nails. I'm gonna gift it to you. Basically, in gifts, you're getting more value in free gifts than the value of the subscription itself. You're basically subscribing for free. Like I'm giving, it's a free subscription, bro. Basically, because I wanna hook it up so when April drops, you ain't missing it, bro. If you guys wanna check it out, click that link down below. 4, wake up early. Wake up early to keep up the habits that you've established. Most of you don't look good. See, most of you know about the skincare, the hair care, you know these things. And you'll do them, you'll feel the difference. You'll be like, yo, that feels great. You'll feel great, but you never keep it up. And that's where you fail, the consistency to keep it up. And you do this because you're in a rush, right? You wake up in the morning, it's 8 o'clock, you gotta be in the office by 8:30. You're rushing out the house. Wake up early, bro. Wake up an hour earlier. Go to the gym, and now you control your mornings. You get your grooming routine. You get your fits right. I promise you, once you start breaking out earlier, not only do you have more time for yourself, you'll also feel good on a consistent basis because you won't break routine. Get a new toothbrush head every 3 months. This is another one most of you skip. If you guys want to have the widest smile possible and have the cleanest mouth possible, any dentist you go to will tell you this. Get a new toothbrush every 3 months. And if it's an electric one, just a new toothbrush head every 3 months. After 3 months, its effectiveness goes down, the bacteria built up on the toothbrush goes up, and basically, not only are you not actually scrubbing and taking off all that plaque, you're basically reinfecting your mouth with all the bacteria because the toothbrush is so dirty. Which ultimately takes me to number 6. Improve your grooming as you sleep. There's 2 things that you can do before you go to bed that will make you wake up looking amazing. Your skin and your body odor. Let me explain. If you have bad body odor, most of the time, it's not that the deodorant doesn't work, it's that you're not giving it time to work. If you were to apply deodorant the night before, right before going to bed, apply some of that antiperspirant, go to bed, I promise you the next morning you shower, you can put some more on if you want to, you will smell great all day. You need to improve your beauty as you sleep. Same thing with your skin. If you were to grab a serum, like a thick serum, a quality one, apply it, it's gonna leave your face greasy, you're gonna feel all oily and shiny, that's fine. Because as you sleep, the skin's gonna be absorbing all those nutrients throughout those 8 hours. When you wake up and wash your face, I promise you, the softness you're gonna feel, game changing. So use your sleep to your advantage to improve your grooming.